Hello, Capricorns. Wish you a very happy Navratri and a happy Durga Puja. For those of you joining me from India, you know what this time of the year brings for us. And for those of you who are from a different part of the world, we celebrate Shardiya Navratri in October or around this time of the year. And it's called Navratri because it stretches to over 9 days. And on the 10th day, we celebrate Durga Puja. So this is a very auspicious time for us where we invoke Goddess Durga. Devi Durga comes into our lives with a lot of love, luck, abundance, success, glory, happiness, everything you want in life. So with these powerful blessings and feelings, I'm stepping into your reading and I hope to bring a lot of light and success um, and a good reading for you, Capricorns. Let's see what is the overall energy for Capricorns, please. Please, I would appreciate it if you can subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. And to remember to like this video. It helps to circulate video to the right people who need the messages that are being sent out right now. So the overall energy I have for you is Wise Leader. And wow, that's looking really good, Capricorns. Wonderful cards. Beautiful. So Capricorns, the cards that I have for you are staying focused, solitude, traveling lightly, and miracles. Let me go deeper. I feel like you are being looked up to as a wise leader right now, and people are so influenced and inspired by you. And you're being asked to stay focused and not waver from your path or not get scattered, not feel scattered, because you are somewhere connected to the creator and the powerful source here right now. And you could be doing things, channeling messages. You could be, acting upon advice that's coming to you from within, not even knowing what this voice in your head is. But that's just the divine energy coming into your life so strongly. I have the card of solitude. I feel like a lot of you Capricorns don't want to interact with a lot of people, or you want to be just by yourselves, and that's all right, because in silence, creativity prevails, peace prevails. So I feel like you are feeling very, very creative. You want to do something new. You want to start a lot of things. You want to get going. You want to put your fingers in 5 different projects at the same time, is what I feel, Capricorns. You're being asked to travel lightly. You're being asked to let go of this burden that you've been carrying for some time. This could be, a hypothetical pressure. This could be pressure of performance in your family life, in your work life, whatever this is for you. You're being asked to let go of this. You're becoming more and more conscious of your being here right now, Capricorns, and this is a very powerful state to be in. You have the card of miracles. You have the ability. I feel like some miracle is coming into your life, or something you've been praying for is coming into your life. I'm so sorry. I feel like you're releasing the guilt or some kind of feeling from the past that was keeping you tied or held back. With the Eight of Swords, I definitely feel like you are stepping out of that energy right now. What messages you have for Capricorn, please? You may be losing a lot of sleep, Capricorns. There isn't enough sleep to you is what I get. And just that. You're also a little apprehensive about taking some new steps, yeah? You need to take care of your health in the time frame 16 to 31st of October. That's what your reading is for in this period. You need to take care of your health. You could be trying to overstretch your boundaries, Capricorns, but you're being asked to rest, relax, take care of your diet, get enough sleep. Okay, I feel like some project, some proposal is coming your way, and this person, this situation has been observing you. Yes, you have the card of the Star. So Capricorns, I feel like this is a very good time, a very beautiful time beginning in your life, where you have the opportunity to take your creativity forward, and you will get those opportunities who will want you to exhibit what you have or what you're thinking. Let's see, let's go a little bit forward and see what we get. I feel like you're taking your power back from people or situations around you. Everything that bothered you in the past, you're not going to allow that to get the better of you right now. So I feel like you're going in solitude. You are so looking for that quiet time for yourself. And it wouldn't be wrong to say you would just you may give people one liners that they may not like, but that's so important for you to maintain your own peace of mind. And you could be straight away saying a no, and that's not like you, but now you're doing that, and it's important. You have the Four of Pentacles. And why do we have the Four of Pentacles? I feel like you are doing very well for yourself financially here, and a lot more opportunities are coming. You are looking to build and grow something here, Capricorns, is what I get. You have the Wheel of Fortune. This is a very powerful reading for you, Capricorns. Capricorns, I feel like you have been working towards something. You are going to cut off the people and situations and walk away from small little projects or small things in life. You're looking to grow big. You are looking to step into a bigger energy or more abundant energy, and do something big is what I'm getting for you. You have the Wheel of Fortune. You have definitely closed doors to old karmic situations, and you're growing. You have the Nine of Pentacles, and I feel like you're leaving the small breadcrumbing situations behind. You are so ready for new and bigger things. I have the Devil energy here for you. I feel like there is someone around you or was around you. This is the Capricorn energy. Who, we also have the air signs here, who definitely wasn't looking for your good or wasn't there for your highest good, but you are doing away with this. So Capricorn, you get the Devil energy in your reading, you get the Capricorn energy in your reading. But this is definitely a situation or a person who was causing you a lot of grief, or probably a setback, or holding you back in the past. This has caused you a lot of mental disturbance. But you're walking past this. With the Six of Wands, you have overcome this problem. And I feel your Wheel of Fortune is related to this, where you're closing the old karmic ties and you're walking in this energy of Six of Wands. It no longer bothers you. You have developed a greater understanding. Beautiful. You have the Queen of Pentacles. So the Queen of Pentacles is the Virgo energy. And I feel like a lot of you could be having a Virgo around you, or could be dealing with a Virgo too. But this is a very stable energy, and it feels like you are only working towards your growth, your pentacles. Some of you could even be collaborating with the Virgo is what I get. Yeah, you are not going to look at what's gone. Let bygones be gone. Look at what you have at hand, and from there you're waiting for you're waiting for new opportunities to come in. You're actually mentally so active even in your sleep that you're waiting, where is my opportunity, where is my opportunity. You're saying that to yourself even while you're asleep. That's how you're mentally so conscious and active towards your growth. You have the Two of Pentacles. You are looking to do more than one thing at this point in time. Wow, you have the Empress energy. Capricorns, you are so powerful here right now. With the Empress energy, you have a lot of new ideas you want to birth and bring to life here. And I feel you're going to be able to do that here, Capricorns. This is like a great big jump. This is like a leap into abundance. This is so much growth here. You have the Queen of Cups. You have such powerful cards here, Capricorns. I don't know what to say, but you have the Queen of Cups. You have a lot of powerful people coming into your life here right now, and giving you that much needed boost to help you go forward. If this is some kind of help you were waiting for, that's coming in. And a lot of people are joining hands with you too. You could be looking to work with them also, but this is happening for you here. Let me draw you some cards from here. For Capricorns, please, what messages do you have for Capricorns from 16th to wonderful 31st of October? We have Two of Fire. And just give me one moment, please, if you can. All right. So Capricorns, I have the Queen of Air that fell out of the deck, and I feel like I have to take this. I think you have to come around to making some kind of decision, and you need to clear the way that clear away everything that no longer serves you. So I've been talking about, with all the swords appearing here, you are definitely doing a lot of clearing and cutting and moving away from the past and negativity. And you're going to look at the situation for what it is. And I feel like you're now standing in your power, Capricorn. Something that I have been talking about in your past readings. You're now standing in your power. And like I said, new partnerships are coming forward for you with the Empress, Queen of Cups, And the Three of Wands, new partnerships, new people wanting to joining hands with you are coming here. They're coming forward to you, for you right now. And you are being asked to continue to go forward in your life. I don't know if you are looking for love at this point in time, but I am going to draw you some cards from this deck. So, do we have something for Capricorns in love or even in relationships here? Do we have a message for Capricorns? We do. You have honor thyself. That's what you're doing here, Capricorns. And the message says, just curious, when was the last time you looked into a mirror and addressed yourself as gorgeous, magnificent, or sublime? It matters. Here's looking at you, gorgeous, says the universe. I feel like Capricorns, you need to take a moment, stand, look at all your achievements you've had so far, because this is a momentous occasion in your life right now. Another card that I have for you is, there isn't a soul on the planet who doesn't crave your approval. You are that important for people right now, Capricorns. The only difference between a friend and a foe is that you've decided where love can grow. And Capricorns, you're definitely not going to settle for shallow relationships, because you have understood your power, your worth, and I feel like you're going to collaborate with such people who understand the same energy as you do. So, leaving you on that note and wishing you a lot of love, luck, and success. I hope you liked your reading, and I hope this helps you. And please remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Do like this reading if you like, hit the like button if you like this reading. And if you like a free reading from me, I just did one today on Facebook and Instagram. You can find the links to both these places in the description box below. If you'd like a private reading with me, you can send me a mail on kavyajaswal9@gmail.com. You can find this email ID in the description box below again. And what else? Hit the like button, guys. And do comment and let me know how these energies are playing in your life. Until we meet again, bye-bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and happy Navratris and happy Durga Puja. Namaste.